Want a chest that screams power and strength? Well, you've come to the right place. We're diving deep into 6 chest exercises that'll help you sculpt a physique that turns heads. Get ready to work hard, push your limits, and embrace the intensity. We're not here for a walk in the park. The music will be as dark and brooding as your mood by the end of this workout. Let's go.
Let's start with the classic bench press. This is the bread and butter of chest workouts, the foundation upon which you'll build your powerhouse physique.
Lie on the bench, feet flat on the floor, grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower the bar to your chest, maintaining control, then explode upwards, pushing through your chest muscles. Remember, control is key. Don't let the weight control you. You control the weight, feel the burn, embrace the intensity. This is how we build a chest worthy of legends.
Now we're hitting the incline dumbbell press. This variation targets the upper chest, adding definition and creating that powerful sculpted look.
Sit back on the incline bench, feet firmly planted. Hold the dumbbells just above your chest, palms facing each other. Lower the dumbbells slowly, feeling the stretch in your upper chest, then push them back up with power and control. Focus on squeezing those chest muscles at the top of the movement. You're sculpting a masterpiece, 1 rep at a time.
Time to spread your wings with cable flies. This exercise focuses on the outer chest, creating width and a truly impressive physique.
Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart with a slight bend in your knees. Grab the cables, palms facing inward, keeping a slight bend in your elbows. Bring the cables together in front of your chest, feeling the stretch in your pecs. Control the movement as you return to the starting position. It's all about control and precision. You're sculpting a work of art, not rushing through a chore.
No gym, no problem.
Push-ups are the ultimate chest exercise you can do anywhere, anytime.
Get into a plank position, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart.
Lower your body down, chest close to the floor, then push back up with force, engaging your chest muscles.
This is raw primal strength.
You're not just building a chest, you're building resilience, willpower, and a body that can handle any challenge.
Ready to unleash your inner beast?
Chest dips are where it's at.
Grip the parallel bars, arms straight, and lower your body down until your chest almost touches the bars.
Then, push yourself back up with explosive power, feeling the burn in your chest and triceps.
This is about raw strength, pushing beyond your limits.
You're not just building muscle, you're building character.
Now let's isolate those chest muscles with a pec deck machine.
Sit comfortably on the machine, arms resting on the pads.
Bring the pads together in front of your chest, squeezing your pecs at the peak of the contraction.
Control the movement as you return to the starting position.
This is about focused intensity, targeting those chest muscles for maximum growth.
We've covered 6 powerful chest exercises: bench press, incline dumbbell press, cable flies, push-ups, chest dips, and the pec deck machine. Incorporate these into your routine, challenge yourself, and watch your chest transform. Remember, consistency is key. Keep pushing, keep striving, and you'll see incredible results. Subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Now go out there and unleash your inner warrior.